Hello, welcome back to JoJo's farm. Thank you guys so much. Thank you all our new subscribers, and thank you our return subscribers. It's been some time now since we posted a video about 2 weeks ago. Yes, guys, the farm, everything is going on, everything is moving on successfully, thank God. Today I'm going to talk about the cost of feed. Again, the cost of feed. If anybody in Ghana especially is not feeling the cost of feed for the farm, then you are not doing farming. Feed is very expensive. Feed has been very, very expensive. Right now we are buying the wheat bran for 78, between 40 to 78 per bag. That is expensive. That is 50 kilos, yes. And it's expensive. We're buying the maize as well, about 50 Ghana. And then the rice has increased as well. And it's not cheap, guys. It's not cheap. If you really want to go into pig farming, I will advise you to consider the feed cost. The feed cost. I mean, pig farming is very good. It is sustainable. I mean, you can manage, but the rate at which things are going, guys, is very, very expensive. Now we have about 50 pigs, and feeding has been disturbing. And that is my piece of advice, guys. I have been doing videos about feed, and trust me, feed is becoming unbecomable. And feeding these pigs is not a joke. It is not a joke. You guys have been with us all this while. If you watch this video, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and also give us some advice. Give us some comments down there. Advise us as to what we can do and how best we can supplement, because it is becoming unbecomable. If you don't have money to buy feed constantly, you might give up. There's a guy next to us. He has given up. He has sold all the pigs and he doesn't want anymore. This is just a short video. I'll come back next week. Guys, thank you all. Subscribe to our channel, share, and also click the notification button so that anytime we share any video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you, and God richly bless you all. Shalom. Watch out for our next video. Bye.